Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Value.
What does the dictionary say?
Magnitude. Quantity. Number represented by a figure, symbol, or the like, a point in the range of a function. A point in the range corresponding to a given point in the domain of a function.
Math rap.
A value is something you and I have from birth. It's the declaration of real worth. No matter what language you speak or your home nation, value is the number or result of a calculation.
Math rap.
Explain value in your own words. Is it worth anything? Place a number value on each of the items found below. Set your value scale from 1 to 10, with a 10 being very valuable and a 1 having little or no value at all. Then, explain the reasoning behind your highest and lowest valued items. Here are the items you're to place value on from 1 to 10. Friends, food, games, school, money, opinions. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!